Welcome back to Autocar, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive design and innovation. Today, we take an in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Prius, a vehicle that continues to push the boundaries of hybrid technology while maintaining its reputation for efficiency and reliability. Let's explore everything from its exterior and interior design to its performance, history, price, and standout features. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Prius presents a sleek and futuristic look. Toyota has refined its aerodynamic shape, giving it a sportier and more aggressive stance. The front fascia features a striking LED headlight design that seamlessly integrates with the sharp lines of the hood, enhancing its modern appeal. The signature hammerhead grille is both stylish and functional, improving airflow for better efficiency. Moving to the side profile, the Prius showcases sculpted body lines that not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette. At the back, you'll find a full-width LED taillight bar, a signature design element that adds to its high-tech feel. The 19-inch alloy wheels complement the bold styling, ensuring that the Prius stands out whether on the highway or in the city. Stepping inside, the 2025 Prius offers a refined and futuristic cabin. Toyota has focused on premium materials and an ergonomic layout, ensuring comfort and convenience. The dashboard features a sleek digital instrument cluster positioned closer to the driver's line of sight, enhancing visibility and reducing distractions. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in high-quality synthetic leather with improved cushioning for long drives. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, while the panoramic glass roof creates an open and airy feel. Rear passengers get ample legroom, thanks to a slightly extended wheelbase, and the cargo space remains generous, making it perfect for both daily commutes and road trips. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Prius is more dynamic than ever. Under the hood, it features an upgraded hybrid powertrain, combining a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor. Together, they deliver a refined balance of power and efficiency, producing around 196 horsepower in the all-wheel drive variant. Acceleration has improved significantly, with a 0 to 60 mph time of around 7.0 seconds, making it one of the quickest Priuses to date. Toyota has also enhanced the suspension for better handling and ride comfort, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. The history of the Prius is one of continuous innovation. Since its debut in 1997, it has been a pioneer in hybrid technology, setting the standard for fuel efficiency and sustainability. Over the years, Toyota has refined its design, performance, and technology, keeping it at the forefront of the hybrid market. The 2025 model continues this legacy, embracing cutting-edge advancements while staying true to its eco-friendly roots. Pricing for the 2025 Prius starts at around $28,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $38,000, depending on features and options. Given its advanced technology, stylish design, and impressive efficiency, the Prius remains a strong value proposition in the hybrid segment. In terms of features, the 2025 Prius is loaded with the latest tech. It includes Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring the software remains up to date. A head-up display, digital rearview mirror, and an available premium JBL sound system elevate the driving experience. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Prius. With its striking design, refined interior, improved performance, and advanced technology, this hybrid continues to lead the way in its segment. What are your thoughts on the new Prius? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.